Atlas ContiPro continuous packaging machine. The fastest packaging machine in Turkey, up to 150 bags in minute. Multi-head filling system to ensure speed and accuracy during the filling process. The fast generation in Atlas International World. Confidence on the right path. High-speed operation. Saving time, labor, and space. Atlas International, 50 years of experience, leading innovation in food production and packaging.
Yeah, we're with Tesla Foods company. This is our company here. We're based in Chicago. We've been dealing with Atlas Atlantic for more 7 years. It will be the great company. The machine, it's reliable, and we recommend this company. It's very good.